You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely pidgin.
Oyibo say na another brand new day, but for TMC Radio, we say na day don't break and another wonderful day. Yes, I greet you specially wherever you dey listening to me, whether you dey listening from the north, west, east, or south. Yes, welcome to TMC Sport Update, where we will give you up the update when it concerns sport in general. Whether na football, whether na boxing, whether na basketball, whether na tennis, as the case may be, you go get all the better story when there's some people go say na juicy story. And my name still remain Ifunanya Okweze, the man when you know as the most prolific and undeniable and unstoppable goalkeeper. Yes, Kylian Mbappe don't tell everybody when he carry to come and say, I say I no go sign contract with PSG. He say I don't know where una for see that story. Brazil can talk say we'll join our guy when they call Vicinio Junior, when they call they talk bad thing against, when they call it talk say color of his skin, all those kind of things. He said because of her we go play wetin they call friendly match next year so that we'll fit support him. And another matter when he say 4 club don dey look Chelsea striker and Gabon striker when they call Pem and Aubameyang. Other matter now we go look Celtic still dey waka for coach matter. Roma, they find striker where they want to replace Tammy Abraham when he get injury, one kind long time injury. And then Waka enter Nigeria matter. Terry Murphy win goal of the season for the UEFA Cup. And the Super Eagles camp done the Bobo and Sheffield. You know that song that time. I just want to Bobo and Sheffield. As the players don't complete. 23 players don't land cap Gidigba. Osimhen, he land. And Osayi, he land. We go look all those matter. Yes, finish the judge enter camp and he did with the players and he did with everybody. And one Nigerian coach when they call Akpala, he don't get a job for one Belgian club. And this now that story when we go look this morning and we'll come match break when we don't look all these things. Okay, make we start from the Upape matter. Pape don't hear and tell everybody say, you see all those things when they talk say, I want move. I want to do this one, I want to do this one. Say those things, you don't know where una for CMO. Say we never even discuss any contract matter. And then they talk, say, I want move. He say, I get contract with PSG. And the one that they talk all these things. Me, myself, I no just understand. Say yesterday, one information come out from different angles. Say, it be like, say, the guy want move. As he say, he no go sign contract. And PSG come, they tell and say, you better you sign contract or you move. Because if you don't move now, that season, you'll be free transfer and we need to even get more money for your head. So even if you want to move now, they might say now one season remain, better money go come out because you know how much he release clothes and every other thing. But he can come out, he can talk say PSG, I stay. PSG, I remain. PSG, I play next season. He just can talk all those things and that we go sad that matter go. But one information we can come out from one of all those stories say, he get one underground, but now still, they say, say he get one discussion where they discuss say if the Qatar people buy Manchester United and since the man where they beat for Manchester United and the person will get PSG, they be party, waiting with the call 5 and 6. It be like say they go shift one of the major because he talks say the man where they beat for Manchester United talks say as if he buy the club, he go strike one major deal when they talk say he go shake the world. So the information we call the con say if he strike the deal with PSG, may they push Opape comes there. But now time you go tell since footballers, say they never agree say they want move until they don't move. Okay, from France, now so we go take our jet enter Spain. Yeah, and for Spain we call Ben Small enter Brazil. Where Madrid striker and Brazilian player when they call Vicinio Junior, Brazil Federation talk say we go play one friendly match because of waiting they do this guy when we no like. We go play the friendly match for Spain and we go plan for Santiago Bernabeu when it be Real Madrid Stadium. And this match we go plan for next year inside match. Watch the process when the Brazilian FA they use. Match where they want play next year, they don't set her down. They don't get the stadium, they don't set the match. Process. Now this one we talk, say process. It don't be like some people who don't want to play match next 2 months. They never even know stadium when they want to use. So they can talk say this one, it go be say no to races, say no to calling players some kind funny names, and they come talk say this game na to support Vicino Junior and anybody when they suffer for that kind thing when e no clear at all. Yes, 4 clubs for Saudi Arabia don dey tell Chelsea striker Gabon international Per Aubameyang say see show come here come play since say you're coming to England again, another side of London when e be Chelsea from Barcelona no work, you just come here come do the same thing. Ronaldo club dey eye am, the Benzema club still dey eye am as they say you come make you come do am, but unto say him come talk say he go weigh e option, he go put am for scale. You know that time wey they go share food, you go raise here. He say he go weigh e option and he go know where he wan move go. But as the matter clear, the future for Chelsea e dey shake. E dey be like a black and white telly wey no clear. E dey do shi. So but he dey hope say before the start of next season he go get another club, and we wish am, because in our Africa brother, we wish am all the best and make e weigh e option very well. One thing wey you still know, age no still dey inside too much as in 30 something. Celtic sake of say their coach wey they call Angel Postecoglou don move go Tottenham Hotspur. Now they dey look for another coach when he come do the job. They dey eye one of Manchester City assistant coach. Sake of say they come look Arteta with one eye from afar, say in a former Pep Guardiola assistant, see wetin in dey do for Arsenal, and whereby if we go there come go carry another one, you sure say he no go still do the same thing for us. They just come dey plate. But the information wey come out come say that they eye their former coach, former Leicester, former Liverpool, former Swansea coach wey they call Brendan Rodgers. They tell us say come back. Sake of say when you come here, then you do something gidigba, you do something when e sweet us, you win trophy, you do well. Just come since you no get job, since you carry your bag comot for Leicester before they go relegation, just come back. As they say the fans go appreciate am, the players go appreciate am, and the board go appreciate am. You know say the Scottish season get IB, their transfer window they get the way e dey be, sake of say they come bend and comot from England own, and their league they quick start, and so many things. And you know say they still need to build their team so that they'll take play wetin they call qualifiers to the Champions League, and they need to do all those things. So they need coach, and transfer window go open officially July 1st, and they need coach so that he go get a plan, he go look the players, he go prepare them for preseason and everything. So they don't talk say Ben Rodgers, you come make we discuss. But from the information when he come and say it be like say they go do the discussion weekend, and they'll tell and say see how much you go receive, you'll get background staff, CIB. Now so the matter they come out from Scotland. From there we go enter Roma when he did Italy, where their sporting director, what they call Thiago Pinto, go fly enter London. Which side they come for London? He go land West Ham. So then he go fit discuss West Ham striker, what they call Samaka. Until say West Ham sign Samaka come from Sassuolo, and they come and say he no slow, as a say the pattern according to the pattern when West Ham they play no suit am. He score some goals, but he no live up to expectation because na big money they take carry am come. But you know if you take him away from her, he win the Europa Conference Cup, and that one come make am get one medal, but e no come sweet for am. Unto say they always dey get Italian colour before, but since he no come dey play again, he come get where he be. Unto the last match of the season when he just round up, Roma striker when they call Tammy Abraham come get one injury when from Tori people, he go take am till December, which they call Achilles injury. He go take am till December, and they need to get person when they go take replace am before he go come back. He come fit, he come get a form, he come do all those things, and they go do they reach January, and Jose Mourinho no one make mistake as he don't confirm as from the information when he did say he go stay Roma again this season. So they go discuss the matter. Whether na loan o, they go discuss. Whether na full sell, they go discuss. Because as he did without Samaka, David Moyes go on to stay the Premier League, and he can still win one cup. So when the sporting director come, he go discuss with West Ham people, then they come find solution for Samaka. Still on us, we dey look for Samaka. We no go land, say we no go enter Nigeria player what they call Terry Murphy, because now West Ham they win this competition. And Nigeria striker what they call Terry Murphy don win the Europe Conference League goal of the season. Yes, that goal when he scored against Basel, when we dey call for Shagalo. Yes, that Shagalo when he throw, when some people they call acrobatic. but we don't know her for TMC as acrobatic. We know her as Shagalo. That Shagalo when he scored against Basel. That one called after the UEFA technical team. People when they look goes well. Can't use eye look at it. Some use bele eye. Some use eyeglass. Some use this one. Some use that one. So can't even one look at with black and white TV. They can say no, that one no clear. Now this TV you go use. They can't look at. They can't give her the say na him score the goal of the season for that competition. And if you ask me, I go say congratulations to am. And you know say na January he enter Nice. Now he just stroke enter from the other club when he did Laurent, and he can score goals. What we talk yaga, and he can do well. Congratulations to am. From that one we go enter Victor Osimhen matter where agent look Napoli say see we not get anything where we dey discuss. Osimhen say na 2025 the contract dey end. Make una no bring anything come table. We no want discuss anything at all. Second say in a hot striker this season, and as the matter dey be, if he move because he money to move na 120 million euro. If you negotiate, how you think negotiate matter? Your bargaining power matter. Second say many clubs want am. Manchester United they look am. Bayern Munich they look am. Real Madrid they say you sure say no, but you go come replace Benzema when he don't move. I been for Chelsea. Arsenal, everybody just dey look inside, but agent come talk say we no go discuss any contract, but their man he need to move. Oyibo say move where the ovation is high, because from information when they come that their defender wey they call Kim, if he move for January for the transfer window wey wan open now. Second say Manchester United dey ready to activate a clause when it go reduce next month. So we say Manchester United just pop we. They already use a phone to discuss with her. Call the tell her say, oh boy, wait, may your money come down. Wait for July 1st. July 1st, we just come with our official bid. And so the matter be. And then from Victor Osimhen will still look Victor Osimhen again. As yesterday, Victor Osimhen and Osai Bright Samuel, they land the Super Eagles camp yesterday. Now there be the two people when he late come. If now those days for secondary school, primary school, as they late come, they go use cane to flog them. Now just on a lighter note, yes, they don't enter the camp, and everybody for the camp don't complete. Even the man when he not there for the last team match, whether they call the coach of Enyimba Finidi George, also say the coach say he ask of salary. The coach say who give you right to ask of salary? You pop with first. He land the camp and he did with Jose Posero. And yesterday, everybody when he win cup for their club, from Enyimba, Finidi George, Brett Osai, all of them. I know we forget Victor Osimhen. All of them when he win a cup, they can't do what they call guard of honor. That's the way that they do when you win tournament. Some players can't do right, some players can't do left. All of them call the waka, they pass the center, they call the clap for them, they clap for them, say, hey, champion. That one can make body sweet, all of them. But the home base when they call, when they win, the body can sweet them, the Enyimba goalkeeper body can sweet them. They can say, now me they just they give guard of honor. Alex Wobi, now me they clap for. Aribo, now me they clap for. Omero, now me they clap for. Ahmed Musa, now me they clap for. Body can sweet them. And until they call they play, they call they use style, they knock them, say you go win trophy. Now the camp do the bubble and shuffle. As it be said, the Super Eagles go move, come out, go play their opponent on Saturday night. Now they go move, but they want to take this year alone. Victory for Nigeria, as it they go guarantee them access to the Nations Cup. They want to play for Ivory Coast next year. And Jose Posero, wey me they call Mazi Posero, not still going to talk about the contract, but more than not forget say the contract go expire at the end of this month. Whether Super Eagles they wait to see whether I go carry us qualify or they just say carry us qualify, may you carry your kaya go back to Portugal. Now only time go tell that one. But you the coach and only days remain for your contract. When like just 10 days or 16 days now remain for your contract, they need to look that one. And even Osai Samuel help Fenerbahce win their Turkish Cup for the weekend, the first one where they win since 2013. Yes, one Belgian club where they call KV Konojo don't say, Akpala, you come first, can they do interim manager for us? Say, say the coach when he coached us last season. we not just understand. He just go, he they do black and white things, and the tell us say you can't be our caretaker when we dey call interim coach first. Maybe they put these players for preseason, make you they arrange there, they tell them what you want to do. Say you fair work with this coach, and you get idea for football, and you get your coaching bad, just come. And this one can make people they say, why not just give this Nigerian man when he retired a few years back the job, make it do well. But ask me if he do well for the preseason. You know, guy, I know they win for preseason back to 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 back. Where they're not going to give him the job. That one are just a good one for her, and we wish her the best for that one. Yes, we're not going to talk with us. We're not talk the Nations League, the UEFA Nations League semi-final when he did today, and some fixtures and some Africa qualifiers when he did today. Yes, Netherlands go take on Croatia 7:45. That one are one of the semi-final when they go play, and the team just they talk tough, and everybody they say after the World Cup, make we see what team we go fit do. You know, say Netherlands coach don return back, whether they call Roland Koeman, he don come back to the team when he first come out after Van Gaal quit for after the World Cup. If I thought say after the World Cup, I know shall say I will continue. I really, continue. For the Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers Group A, PCP Sentemo and PCP go take on Guinea-Bissau. That one are for Nigeria group, if you know well. While the Group D, Guinea go take on Egypt. That one at 7 o'clock. Group G, South Sudan go take on Gambia. That one at 2 o'clock. Now those matches just there, and they will give you the result when we will come back again. From there, we're not going to look and say we not look waiting the papers they talk for football. You know, say we must surely look at. Yes, and do people call it according to the Punch Sport Extra. You can't get this one when he say, do not be like Nigeria politician. Now fans, they tell Super Eagles captain, whether they call Ahmed Musa, they say, you don't too take for these Super Eagles. Why you call it do like Nigeria politicians where they don't agree resign? You resign from the national team. But this one, what is that they call it? This one asked me, this one free age tournament, 9 national team B. So now you know the age where you want to play. Pepe, when he did 40 years, still did the camp of Portugal. I've been at captain Cristiano Ronaldo. You know how many years he did. He still did the camp. I've been at Messi. I've been at Modric. So now he know when anybody go tell him, and now the coaches go decide whether they go call him or they no go call him. Now so it be you go see that one for the front page of the Punch Extra. Yes, you consider that way say Terry Murphy win a Conference League best goal. You can say Osimhen agent reject Napoli contract. We don't yarn all those ones. Yes, Arsenal close in on Rice signing. Based on say that one Arsenal top priority. As soon as they sign Rice, this guy go still move ahead. Or share one Rice come. Chaka, you go Leverkusen. Silva wants City exit. That one just the there. You see Manchester United. Oh, there's a Jasmine win race to buy Manchester United. Before the weekend, we'll go confirm that one. If really now he can win the race to buy Manchester United. Because he Pep, Grealish, Haaland celebrate treble at a nightclub. They call go Suburbo, they call go Bobo and Sheffield after they win trophy. Lewandowski ruled out Saudi Arabia move. Is all of now where they go Saudi Arabia? Mona no come me join on herself. Make una face Saudi Arabia, midday Spain, jejeje. They do my thing with Barcelona, jejeje. I win league, jejeje. And next season we go play the Champions League again, jejeje. So precious not una where they call me for Saudi Arabia. Make una pop me. Why you see another one we can say Mina tip wider to knock Joshua. You know, say that fight go to come as it be say Wilder and Joshua go come enter the ring, control blow Ipa when they talk for this side, the control blow, and then as the fight they come up for that one, we go give you the matter sake of how it be, and sake of say people go the throw blow, and sake of say fans they tell Ahmed Musa say make he quit, and so me go quit before they go tell me make I quit. All our programs go to come your way for TMC radio and TV. Yes, our newspaper to go come your way, and all our Ogbonge programs will come your way. I still remain Ifunanya Okweze, the man when you know they arrive camp late. Now from here, I will say, una well done.
You fit get Ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely PJ.